Today we learn GridView, the grid layout widget of Flutter. Some apps show content in a grid instead of rows: photo galleries, shopping app products, app launchers. GridView.count is the easiest way to do it. Cross-axis count 2 means 2 columns. Set it to 3 and you get 3 columns. Main axis spacing and cross-axis spacing control the gap between items, vertically and horizontally. You provide the items and children, and GridView arranges them into a grid automatically. In this example, we used a loop to quickly create 6 items. Notice that GridView scrolls by default. If you have a lot of data, use GridView.builder, which only builds visible items, best for performance. This is the same pattern as ListView.builder, just in grid form. Practice. Create 6 colored boxes with GridView.count. Try cross-axis count 2 and 3. Then build a photo gallery style app with network images in a grid. GridView makes your app look organized and professional.